Alright, welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 50 with the FX Royale 422. So I decided to add some music to this time, some background music, so hopefully it doesn't get too monotonous, so please bear with me. And also a couple of 3D effects, and please leave your comments below to let me know what you think of them. So again, at one of my favorite dairies, I got lots of pigeons, of course, so this guy, just wait, oh, there we go, and down he goes, in with the ladies. Got this guy over there on that ledge. Go ahead and take him out. He walks, and then he's like a drunk, and he just, ew. That is so funny. Waving by. See you later, bud. This guy's going, what happened? What happened to my butt? Well, he didn't make it. Neither did you. First shot I missed. I'm not quite sure where it went or what I hit, because I basically line up the same exact way, and I take him out. Fighting a cold, so excuse me if I cough every now and then. This one's a really good shot, but when I looked at it, I'm like, did I get this guy or did he fly away? So I'm going to take the shot. It looks like everybody flew away. I'm like, did I really miss? Here we are in slow-mo. That guy just drops. It was a very good shot. I was happy with that one. Walk into the barn, see these two guys, three guys, girls, whatever, sitting there, so I'll take that one out. I'll spot this one up on the rafters. And this one's rocking around, thinking he's going to be able to. Now watch the deflection. It goes up onto the roof. You see that spot? I'm like, what the heck? That was a heck of a deflection. Must have hit its breastbone and went straight up. Which isn't that uncommon, but just caught it on film, so that was different. This guy's sitting there nicely. I don't think he sees me really, but that's all right. Go ahead and take him out. I gotta get out of here. Yeah, you're not moving anymore. All systems are not go for you. Okay, this is one of them. So wait for it. It is hilarious. Oh my gosh. And of course we gotta follow that up with another one. So I didn't realize this was available to me. I'm like, oh, I could have some fun with this. So I decided to put a few of them in. This one's up on that bird's nest of electrical wire. So I go ahead and take that one out. And realign myself. And go ahead and take that one out as well. Line up on this guy. I don't know if I got him or not. He takes off. I'm assuming I got him. I might have missed, but I don't know. I'm thinking this is going to look pretty cool too. Can't remember if they called that a proton ball or something. I don't know. And then this was the next one. This was pretty cool too. Lightning bolt! And down he goes. Can we all say here, kitty, kitty, kitty? About this guy. Again, not my favorite tree for birds. Not quite sure what that was. Just my editing wasn't the best. Oh my gosh. No matter how many times I watch that, that is so funny. That is great. I'm going to line up on this one. I'm like, no, let's go to this other one. And then, what do you think is going to happen to him? The same thing. Oh, that is just, man, why didn't I find this earlier? That is so cool. But I digress. Let's line up on this guy. Take care of him. See you later, bud. His neighbor woke up but didn't come any higher up on the roof, so wasn't able to do anything with him. Line up on this guy. Completely missed. He's silly enough and dumb enough to sit there, so okay. And there we go. And there he is. So, still no kitty kitties though. With it being the end of October, a lot of them were coming around for the grain and everything. So again, this is one of my older files that I found from, looks like October of 2021 that I never posted. So it's okay by me. I was glad I found another one. Line up on him, take him out. Hopefully the background music isn't too bad. It was the best one I thought for what I was trying to get done. So this guy's walking. I don't know if he might have been one that I got, but he didn't die all the way. Can't tell, but he didn't fly away, so might have been a follow-up shot, but that's all right. Drop him. And there's another one. Can't pass up these types of targets. Go ahead and take him out. Look at all those birds. Oh my gosh. And then they all fly away. One at a time, and then whoosh. Like, what just happened? So, nope. Like, stay. And I have no idea if I got that one. No idea at all. That might have been him. He might have landed there. But he's definitely not going to make it very far now. There he goes. And there he goes. So Texas shot, take him. At least I think. Now we're gonna have to remember that one, because I think, see, I don't I don't think he falls or anything. See, all of a sudden he flew up, and I'm like, I didn't see him come down again, so I'm not really sure. But I think we see him at the end of this video. So go ahead and take that guy out. Line up on him. Take him out. Things are not good. Think. For sure things are not good for you, buddy. Did a follow-up shot, and that was into him. So, I'm thinking this is the one that I shot, because he's just sitting there, and you see when he starts to move, he's kind of like limping or something. See, he's not quite stable. I'm thinking I probably hit him already. So I go ahead and finish him. And then look who shows up late for the party. And of course, he or she is eating its favorite part of the bird. And the last shot of this video, it's a good 55-yard shot. Drop them in with the ladies. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave any